back to my channel. Welcome to project number 8 in the Countdown to Christmas series. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a variety of different cardstock paper flowers that I've made. I've been having a lot of fun just trying some different shapes and styles, and I thought I'd share them with you. So some I've learned from some other YouTube channels. One is Abby Kirsten. She makes some beautiful flowers and has some good tutorials on there, and I learned some of those things from her. And also another channel, Gigi Creations. I watched hers and learned how to make these pretty centers on and these flowers right here. So I'll show you the ones I've done. So this one, I think she just called this one a champagne flower, and it's just kind of with these kind of big fluffy petals. You just curl them out, and it's really nice. And then you make the center here, and I'm going to show you how to do some smaller centers a little later, but so that's really pretty, and that's what the back looks like. And then I did a second one the same style as this, as that one, sorry, and just in a different color, and just did the center just a little bit different, and maybe added another layer on there. But they turned out really nice. I think you could use them for, you could use these even in Christmas decorating. Maybe not this color, you could change the colors and make them to put on wreaths, or you know, maybe a garland or something. So that's that one. And then I did some roses. Here's one here. This kind of a silver rose, and this one I got the tutorial from Abby Kirsten, and I just drew out, for all of these I just drew out my own templates. I didn't use theirs, just kind of the shape I copied, but I didn't actually use their template, so my sizes of course would all be different. But that's the neat thing about the flowers, you can create your own style. So that's the rose, it's really pretty. And then on the back I put a little wire hook so that you could hang it on something, on, you know, maybe on a picture of a corner, or a picture frame, a corner of a picture frame, or do it on a canvas and do a collection of them together. And then I came up with some of my own designs too, that I just drew out templates, and I came up with this little flower, and I put it on a little box here, and it'd be really cute for, you know, a Christmas gift topper. So I just added ribbon here, and it's just a, you know, a little square box. Put that on the top. So that was a really fun one. And then I did a similar one, and I thought you could just attach it to a gift bag. That would be another neat idea for Christmas. So this is just a simple gift bag like this, and then you could just attach that on with some, you know, tear and tape or scotch tape or whatever, and the recipient could also use that later in their own decorating. So I thought that was neat. And then I'm going to show you how I made make the little centers here for these flowers. So I'll just get things ready for that, and we'll show you how it's done. So here's another one that I just drew out myself, and it kind of, the petal shape that I came up with kind of ended up looking like a snowflake. So I thought that was really pretty, and I'm going to show you how I do the center for that right now. So what you need is just a piece of the cardstock, and I guess this one measures about 8 inches long, and it's about well, it's about, I guess, 2 inches wide, but what you're gonna do is fold it in half, and I've done that here already. So you fold it in half, and then you make all these little fringe cuts in it. So actually you want the good side, the side that you want to be facing out, you want on the inside. So for me, it's the silver on this one is on the inside, and the white is what I'm cutting on the outside here. And then you just cut all these little fringe little cuts all the way through, not all the way through the top, but just about 3/4 of the way here. But you want to do your whole length of paper that you have here. So now I'm at the end of that. And then you're going to take it and open it up. And pop these out, and they'll kind of come alive a little bit. And then you just start rolling it. And as you roll a couple, you want to add a little drop of glue to hold it. Oops, my glue's getting a little messy here. There we go. And then you just keep rolling it along. Yeah, those glue bits are annoying, aren't they? Okay, just keep going. And as you go, you just squeeze it together. You can add a little more glue to hold it as you go. And almost at the end there. And then I'll add another bit of glue at the end here to hold it. So it's like this. And then you can see what it looks like here. And then what you just do is just kind of start fluffing it out a bit here. They're pretty sturdy. It's quite neat. I was really impressed when I saw this on one of the channels, and I'm going to leave the links to both of those channels in the description below so that you can go and get their tutorials, because they're probably a lot better than mine. And anyway, so that's that. And then this we would just glue onto the center here. So you just put some glue on the bottom. You can add a little extra glue to the center of your flower there. And then just like this. There, that looks pretty cool, doesn't it? So that's what I wanted to share with you today, and hope you feel inspired, and maybe you'll be interested in making some of these flowers or just learning how to do the centers. But thanks again for watching. Bye for now.